Hello everybody. I want to add a new subject about the functions. We were talking about the arguments and how we can pass actually infinite arguments and with the split operator. But now I will want to give you another option that is going to be default values. So let's say, for example, let's define a function called say hello. We need a name, and let's specify an argument like that, and we just print hello name. What will happen here? Whenever we print, or whenever we just call say hello with my name, it will attach the name variable with the text that I'm sending. But if I execute this again without actually sending anything, instead of giving an error we saw before, we will have something different. We have the default value be assigned. This is a way to actually sanitize a little bit your input and how to define a value or a specific function. We can say this to, I don't know, let's think about elevate to power, and we say a number is going to be 0 by default and power is going to be a 2 by default, and we just return number elevated to power. So if we just print elevate to power without sending anything, we have 0 by default, because 0 at 2 is going to be a 0. If we send that again with a number 3, the answer should be 9. But if we send that again as 3, 3, then the answer should be 37, because we are specifying the number and the power. There is a way to actually specify one value and not the other. The order of the values that you are putting when you call the function is the same order as the arguments that you have into your defined function. Let me comment all this, and let's do one last example. Let's do another definition. Say hello again, and let's put name equal unknown, and let's do course equal unknown too. And we can say print something really simple. Hello name from, actually this should be here, from the course. And when we say hello again, and we send Rodolfo, and the name of the course, let's say CETP 3305, and we execute that, hello Rodolfo from CITP 3305. Rodolfo is being assigned to the name, and CITP is assigned to the course. Of course, if I just say hello again without anything value, we have hello unknown from unknown. The default value is going to kick in and make the function work. Again, because we have default values in both, we can say hello again, and then I can just Rodolfo. Hello Rodolfo from unknown, because I'm not specifying the course. But what about if I want to specify the course but I don't want to specify the name? In other words, I want to use an argument that is not the first one. Let's do that. So we just call hello again, and here we are going to put the argument name this called course equal CTP 3305. This way we will bypass the order, and we're sending that the course argument is going to be this value that I'm sending right here. If we execute that, we see that hello unknown from the course level. So in other words, let me just comment this string. Let me copy this over, and I can do something like this: name equal Rodolfo. We'll see the output is exactly the same in both cases. The other way to send the arguments in a different order is saving or specifying the name of that argument when you call the function. I hope that you liked this video. Happy coding, everybody.